So we are going to start with forming a slip knot. So we already learned how to make a slip knot. So I have made a slip knot over here. Hold the tail of the yarn, wrap around your finger and insert your hook in the slip knot. You hold the slip knot and the tail with 3 fingers and your thumb. Put the hook behind the yarn and bring it forward so you get a loop, and then you just need to pull it from the slip knot that you had made. So once I pull it, it forms a chain. This is called as a chain. Don't make it very tight, otherwise if you make it too tight, then the next time when you do a stitch in the same stitch, you won't be able to insert your hook easily, and the stitch won't be visible to you as well. So never make your stitches very tight. So I have made one chain. Again repeat the same. Wrap around, pull through. This is the chain 2. Wrap around, pull 2. This is the third chain. Wrap around and pull 4. Wrap around, pull. This is the 5th chain. So this is how we have made a chain stitch. This is the base chain or the chain stitch that we are going to use for getting started with our coasters. So how do you count these? You count it from the slip knot that you had made: 2, 3, 4 and 5. The one that is on the hook is not counted as a stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope this is very clear now. So you can try making the slip stitches and the chain stitch. So this is the base of crochet that you are going to need. So never make your stitches too tight or too loose, otherwise your pattern does not look good and you are not able to do your stitches properly, because your hook will not insert if it's too tight, and if it is too loose then the stitch will not look good in that case. So let's move ahead.